Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your AdSense account is approved and you control the WordPress site. Once done, make sure to back up files and database. This prevents loss if a plugin conflicts. Next, log into WordPress admin and open the theme editor or prepare FTP. You will add code soon. This step ensures permissions and safety. You avoid blocked verification or broken pages. Now proceed quickly to adding verification and AdSense code so Google can recognize your site. You will verify ownership first. Copy the AdSense meta tag and paste it into your theme's header-head section, or install Google SiteKit and connect. SiteKit handles verification and simplifies code insertion. If you prefer FTP, upload the verification HTML file to the site root and request validation in AdSense. Once verified, generate ad units and place their script into header, PHP, or a header injection plugin. Alternatively, use widgets for sidebars. This approach reduces errors. You finish by clearing all caching layers, WordPress cache, CDN, and browser cache. Then load several pages. Ads often appear within 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to test in an incognito window and disable ad blockers. This exposes real behavior. If you see no ads, check the browser console for JavaScript errors and mixed content warnings, and verify the AdSense code is on the live, published theme. If problems persist, revert to the backup and try SiteKit for a guided setup. This usually resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.